In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the border colors on a map using Tableau, and we're going to do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a project for work or school, customizing your maps for clarity and visual appeal can really help convey your data story. So, let's dive right in. First off, we're going to start by opening the Tableau public app. If you don't have it installed yet, be sure to download it from their official website. It's a free tool that's great for data visualization, and you'll find that it offers a myriad of options to make your maps look professional and polished. Once you've got Tableau Public open, navigate to your worksheet where you have the data you want to visualize on a map. If you're starting fresh, you might want to connect to a data source first, but for today's tutorial, I'm assuming you already have your data in place. Next, we're going to get into the specifics of creating your map. You'll want to double-click on the states field in your dataset. This is going to add geographical detail to your map visualization automatically. After you've done that, move on and double-click on the country field. This step essentially layers your data. So for those of you working with international datasets, this step is crucial for broader context. Now that you have your locations pinpointed, our next goal is to shift the view from whatever it is currently to a map chart. Tableau makes this really simple, so just look for the chart options and select the map chart. The transformation will give a geographical context, translating your data into a map over which you can lay additional visual elements. At this point, it's time to infuse some color, which is where the real customization begins. Drag the profit field from your dataset to the color shelf. This action assigns a range of colors based on the profit variable, but don't worry. The borders haven't changed just yet. This step is merely setting the stage. The next thing to do is to click on the color legend that appears. This area gives you control over how data is visually represented, including those map borders we're targeting. Finally, go to the border option within the color settings. Tableau provides a palette of colors to choose from, allowing you to select the perfect hue for your map's borders. Whether you're looking to make the borders stand out with a bright color, or perhaps fade softly into the background, the choice is entirely yours. And there you have it, a personalized map with custom border colors that will enhance both the aesthetic and interpretive power of your data. Remember, these visual tweaks not only improve readability, but also make your presentation more engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and useful tips.